Saturday is the official soup day in Jamaica, so let's enjoy some beef soup. So we're going to wash and prep our meat. I'm going to use some cow skin as well. It's rich in collagen, so it's good for your skin. Season your beef however you like. I'm using some green seasoning. For best results, let it marinate for at least an hour. To speed up the cooking time, I'm going to pressure cook the meat for 20 minutes. And while that's cooking, I'm going to prep my ground provisions and vegetables. After the meat is done, I'm going to transfer it to a larger pot, then add half my pumpkin and some pimento. I allowed it to cook for another 10 minutes so that it could develop some color from the pumpkin. Then add my ground provisions and corn. Let those cook for 15 minutes. Add hot water as needed and the rest of the ingredients, which includes vegetables, soup mix, dumplings, and fresh herbs. Let everything cook for another 20 minutes, and during this time, add your salt, which is the final ingredient. Serve yourself a nice bowl, and as always, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.